There's very little path between the river and the marsh. So the river fills up the marsh. I was here last week and yeah, there was no water in here. It's deep in here, so I'm looking at them poles. It's like 4 or 5 feet in here right now. Maybe deeper out there. The water's almost up to the top. I swear this bridge wasn't bent like this before, but I can't remember. But I'm not trying to fall in that shit right now. Got trip hazards and shit. They don't take care of this place. They need to get like a grant to do something. It's gonna flood out too. If we got all that rain coming tomorrow, all this will be underwater. We'll see. Tomorrow, well, I won't be here, but God will know. It's a nice place, and it's not well kept the deeper you go this way. So much trash. All the trash comes out of the water. But you normally have 20, 30 feet of beach at low tide. And you see it now. High tide's coming in, so this is already filling up. I see it hitting ground up here. It's high tide, she's filling up. This is never open like this. Never get a clear view. They must have been back here with the machine, mowing some shit down, trying to make this path open. But worst case, I get stuck and it's high tide and I gotta wait it out for a couple hours. It'll come down. Trying to get down to this other bridge. I mean, the water's here. It's coming in. Worst case, it'd probably be like freaking, if it came up, if it rised up like 2 more feet, I might be walking through some water. Sorry. Yeah, because it's already here. This is the Delaware River. That's the Delaware River, you know what I mean? That's the marsh, which in the summer is completely green. There's one little path, but you see somebody already made something happen. They took somebody's fence and made a path to walk. So you know me, I'm walking it. I don't really trust their shit though. Summertime, this is all green. You can't walk through any of this. It's all brush. And when it's high tide, I mean, look, yeah, when it's high tide, you can't even friggin' walk down this far. It's supposed to be, though. There's a bridge, but I'm not going to be able to make it. But I got a life vest right here. You know, so I'm cool. They're putting markers down too, so somebody's putting markers down like this is going to get cleared out. But they're going to have to build this up. We're going to have to build this up. Can of air duster. Somebody was getting womp 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 on a boat probably. Be a bitch all your life, you know what I mean? Somebody's chase. How does something like that even wind up here? I have no idea. Somebody throws it in the river, you know? Some fucking person that doesn't respect, you know, Mother Nature throws it in the river. And it becomes pollution. But you have to watch where you walk. Can't be playing with no damn phones. I would love to get down to this bridge. I'm gonna try to get there for you. Definitely rough back here. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. Undermining. A lot of fucking, looks like construction filling over there material. I'm getting close though. I'm gonna get to this bridge. Like I said, this normally, you have to walk down this beach. You know, like normally that water, it's out at least 20 feet. The sand, you know, at low tide. When I passed over the friggin' bridge coming over here, it was not low tide, but it was like medium tide. I guess tide comes back in around 2 o'clock. I'm hoping I make it to this bridge. I hope I'm not blocked off because I came all the way down here. I really want to make it to the bridge. I'm there. I got a little cutoff up here. That's it. Got some of this wood too. How many years that wood has been probably in the water? Nice piece of fucking wood. Nice little log. That's white wood. Look, I'm here. And I'm gonna come through that shit. I ain't got no time for this. It's not that deep. But I want to come through this. So. Yeah, I made it. You see this shit though. This is deep over here. Like listen, this bridge, see where the water's at. You can walk under this. I normally can walk right under all of this. Like right here, I'm normally able to walk under this. I didn't really, the tide probably rises up to here. That's why you see all this debris on here. Tide's definitely going to rise up to this. I just wanted to get out this far. It's a mission. There's the Betsy, you know? Yeah, this is all open, you know? You can walk this. It's all sand. All this. It's all sand. But not right now. And I guess the bridge is stronger with its legs supported. There's a friggin' Delaware crocodile. Nah, it's a piece of wood. You know how quiet it is, peaceful it is. Some people like commotion. My whole life is commotion. I'd rather peace. This bridge be getting wobbly too. They just built it, I guess, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, but it still gets wobbly to me. The pressure treated deck shit is stronger or less rigid, so you feel your steps. Like this shit could go probably any time. That's why I try to walk in a string of nails where it's nailed down to the deck. But they better catch up because Philly's already on their side with a whole walk path, so they gotta tighten up over here. It's on Jersey side. That's crazy. It's definitely filling up. I should probably see when high tide is. This shit, I've never come down this far. You never could. I'll do this another day, but because this keeps venturing down. I've never, since I started coming here, have been able to see this shit or even get down these steps because it's always covered. But look at these plastic bottles. So much fucking pollution, man. Stop littering, people. Teach your children not to litter because it's destroying the environment. And when you say you don't care, oh, it's not your problem. I said, yeah, it is, because the microplastics be causing cancer. That's in your kids' food, you know? So, don't make excuses why. Oh, yeah, it's only, I'm not. No. Of course, you're worried about money. That's it, you know? So sometimes you gotta think on a different level, especially when you got little ones in this world. Stop littering. Use biodegradables. Do your part. Keep your carbon footprint down. I'm gonna head back because the tide is rolling in. I don't feel like really climbing through water. I said it might come up another 2 feet. It's 50 degrees out, so I could walk through it, but just really not trying to get my shit wet. I said I'd never see water this deep. It's probably because it's winter. Summertime, I guess shit freaking things evaporate and it rains back down, so a lot of times you don't see. But this is definitely washing up. It's already come up more. I ain't that worried about it, honestly, but somebody else might be. Damn, you can see the Delaware rolling in now. You can definitely see the tide rolling in. You can definitely see the tide rolling in. It's pouring right in. I'm not trying to fall like a dickhead neither. But, you know. I think that was the lowest spot. But I made it where I wanted to make it. Worked all day, delivered a job, slid out, locked up, and rolled out. I worked all weekend, Sunday. And people don't get it, you know, my friends, they think everything's a party. I just want to get the hell out of my head, you know. That's why I go on little nature missions. Get out of my head, trying to leave, you know, the stress and work. And the city too. Stress from the city will get you as well. Always live in fight or flight. Somebody getting bodied every day. See, the water's clear though. You can see right underneath this shit. It's just the trash that's in the water. Summertime, I'll dip my legs right in this water. I don't care. Walk through it. They just did the dredge. And the dredge company that was doing the dredge, so deeper boats can go down to Delaware, which is actually the cost of this. You don't even fucking realize it, but this area is made for one height of water. So when they dredge it, they dig it deeper in the middle. So that allowed more water to come in from the ocean, which raises this. So changing everything up by that dredge shit. It's not what you think. They don't dig it up and then, oh, the water level lowers. Not, it raises because you're digging the holding body more depth, which allows more water to come in. But you know, somewhere's down the road, they keep doing shit like this, you're just lowering the depth of the oceans. Didn't need my life vest. And you look at trees like that, but that's leaning on that. I should be alright. We'll see.